MyFICO plans can cost up to $39.95 per month in 2026, which means you could spend nearly $480 a year just to track your credit. That makes it one of the most expensive credit monitoring tools regular consumers pay for. By the end of this, you'll know what MyFICO actually gives you, what makes it different from free apps, and whether paying for it makes sense. Here's the direct answer. MyFICO is a paid service built around FICO scores. That matters because FICO is the score model most lenders actually use. That's the biggest difference. Apps like Credit Karma and Credit Sesame usually show Vantage score. That score is useful for tracking. But it's often not the same score a bank sees. MyFICO gives you access to actual FICO scores. That's why people pay. Section 1. What it costs. MyFICO has multiple plans. Entry plans start lower, but premium plans can go up to $39.95 a month. The higher plans usually include reports from all three major credit bureaus and multiple FICO score versions. That matters if you're preparing for a mortgage, auto loan, or major credit application. Those industries often use specialized FICO models. That's where the value shows up. Section 2. Who it's for. If you're about to apply for a mortgage, MyFICO can be worth it. That's because even a small score difference can affect loan approval or rates. Seeing your actual mortgage FICO scores matters. The same goes for car loans. If you're just casually rebuilding credit with cards from Capital One or Discover, the free tools usually do enough. That's the cheaper route. Section 3. What you're really paying for. You're paying for accuracy and detail. Not convenience. Not credit building. MyFICO doesn't improve your score by itself. It only shows you where you stand. That's an important distinction. Quick recap. MyFICO can cost up to $39.95 a month. Its main value is giving you real FICO scores and deeper reports. That matters most before major loans. Your next step is simple. Use free apps for regular monitoring, and only pay for MyFICO when you're close to a big credit application. If this helped you save money and make smarter credit moves, like the video and subscribe.